Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody guys, happy new year to everybody. In the second video and the weekly research as a rule, and as usual we will take a look at the gold market. So you can see that actually in the gold market we see really drastic changes in the recent couple of weeks. So this is hardly it could be suggested by the price action that we saw since the summers. That was really significant collapse on the gold market. And this drastic reversal that has happened within the couple of weeks, so this really outstanding action that makes impact even on the high time frames. On the monthly chart, for example, the recent action has led to appearing of the bullish grabber that's just the taking out of the previous tops around 1355 area. So based on this action, this top should be taken out. Also, the December was a reversal month. That also brings more confidence with the upward continuation. But currently, guys, it's still, we need to find out what was that. Whether it was some obsession due to the thin market and closing of the balances by the major players. Because as you know, that closer to the end of the year and the Christmas moment, the big players usually close the balance sheets. And they changed their strategy on the common week. They closing to fixed result and some compensation, some bonus programs will be calculated based on the result. So that's why it's still the question what the Russian rally was. And if in the beginning of the year when the new balances will start to form, when the major players will come back to the market, if this rally will be confirmed, that really could be the decisive turning point in the gold market. Meantime, we will not take a look at the two extended targets, and mostly we will be focused on the targets that we could meet with a couple of weeks probably. Here we will use the same ABCD pattern that we use on the weekly analysis, on the weekly chart, but we use closer targets. So here we use the COP extension. This is just the 618 minor extension of this ABCD pattern, and it stands approximately at 1330 target right here. Also, this extension coincides, as you can see, with the new monthly pivot resistance one. This will be 1330 approximately. This is monthly pivot resistance one for the January. Now, the major question, guys, how market will get there. So whether it will be just straight upward action, because we do not know how the returning of the big players will impact on the market. Well, it triggers some retracement here, or maybe they will use the levels that they have here for taking some profit on the positions that have been opened previously, because rally was very significant. Some profit taking could happen, or they will join this party and just will starting to buy more gold, and market will continue action directly to 1330. Or, as I said, this could be some retracement down. And by the technical picture, guys, I would bet on retracement because rally was very strong. And technical market stands at resistance. 1311 is the major 618 fib level, fib resistance. Also, it's accompanied by the daily overbought. So actually here, guys, we have the Jordan-Apple bearish stretch pattern. That's just some retracement. Besides, retracement will provide us the more harmonic appearing of the possible reverse head and shoulders pattern that we have discussed, guys. So this deep retracement here should create the right shoulder of this pattern. And actually using the AB equals CD target of this potential head and shoulders pattern should lead us to the same destination point, approximately the same 1335. Besides, on Friday, guys, gold has taken out of this top. So it has formed although this moving above this top was mostly nominal, so just for $2, market has exceeded this top. So 1307 top, and here was 1305. But still, by letter, this is the reversal swing. And usually after reversal swings after significant plunge, market usually shows the deep retracement. That's why, from the technical point of view, personally, I would bet on the possible retracement here. Anyway, taking the long position right at this moment is very dangerous because market at the fib resistance and market at daily overbought. It's not a very comfortable point for taking the long position. And finally, on the daily chart, also we will be watching for this rally because this thrust up is suitable for the separate trading signals. Judd Napoli patterns could be formed, for example, bread and butter buy or something of that sort could happen. Maybe even some other, maybe double repo will be formed. I don't know. But thrust itself is every time when it forms, it brings the potential for the Judd Napoli. For Judd Napoli trades could be formed here. So as you can see, a lot of interesting should happen on the gold market within the coming couple of weeks. And here it's definitely we should get something for trading. On the intraday charts, guys, currently we do not have yet any reversal patterns, except maybe on the hourly chart you could see this minor bearish engulfing pattern has been formed. And here is washing rings that I have talking about. So you can see it's 1305 at the previous top. This top, as you can see, it was slightly washed out. So some stops maybe have been grabbed about it, and market returned it back down. So this is minor bearish sign that could become the starting point of the retracement. Speaking on the retracement, if it will start, it probably should be relatively deep. So I think that it should be at least the 1280 confidence support, but I will not exclude the chance that it will be right to the major 1265 area. Because this area, as you can see, fib level precisely coincides with the lows here, and if market will show this retracement, currently it looks a bit unbelievable, so $40 retracement mostly should erase totally this rally, and at first glance it should be too bearish. But gold market is the market that shows deep retracements, and from the technical point of view, this is nothing curious with this possible drop, and it will not mean that something has been broken from the bullish side. This will be normal technical retracement when the hand and shoulders pattern can be formed. That's the second level that we will be watching for as a potential target of retracement. Also on the 4-hour time frame chart, as you can see, this rally from the 1265 to this top, it also could be used for Judd Napoli patterns. So that's precisely what we'll be watching for in the coming week. Right in the beginning of the week, this rally will be the primary in focus, and here we will be watching for possible reversal patterns here. So maybe the double repo sale will be formed. That will suggest drop to the 1280. So that's our trading plan for coming week. So we start our week from the potential reversal patterns in this area. Then we could try to trade it to the downside, and somewhere starting from 1280 and 1265, we start to watch for possible bullish reversal patterns that will let us take the position in a continuation on a rally on a daily chart that we have right now. So that is our trading plan for the short-term perspective on the gold market.